Welcome, everyone. I'm so glad you could join us for this late-breaking research announcement. I'm Pam Bower, Secretary of the MSA Coalition Board of Directors and Chair of the Research Committee. And it's my pleasure to announce today that 6 new research projects have just been awarded funds by the MSA Coalition. I'll announce the individual awardees and more about their exciting new projects in just a moment. These awards are granted on the basis of scientific merit as judged by our Scientific Advisory Board, comprised of top experts in the field of MSA research. They ensure that each project funded meets a high standard of excellence and fills a critical need. Since 2013, the MSA Coalition has funded researchers at 35 institutions in 10 countries for a total of over $2.5 million. Our research program is funded entirely by individual donations and grassroots fundraising by you, our MSA community. We could not support this research without your generous contributions. Thank you. Why is our research program important? Well, we know there's an unmet need to explore therapies that may improve the quality of daily life for MSA patients by alleviating their symptoms, as well as an urgent need to develop disease-modifying therapies to slow, stop, or reverse the progression of MSA. Each year, we reach out to investigators working in the field of MSA research and ask them to send in their best ideas for meeting these needs. The MSA Coalition follows the Global MSA Research Roadmap Recommendations, a document we helped to craft with input from the patient community. It describes 4 basic types of research projects that will serve to build up scientific knowledge about MSA so that the research community can better focus on meeting these needs. Pathogenesis projects are aimed at uncovering the cause of MSA. Biomarker projects are needed to develop better diagnostic tests. Preclinical projects are critical so that lab studies can be performed, testing new ideas in cell or animal models of MSA. Clinical studies invite individual patients to get involved to try out new interventions. These studies help provide evidence to assist government bodies like the FDA to make decisions about whether a potential therapy should actually be approved for use in MSA. All of these project types are important to meet our overall goals of treating or curing MSA. And now it's my pleasure to announce the 6 new research projects which has just been awarded funds by the MSA Coalition. Alfonso Fasano and Andreas Lozana, Toronto, Canada. This project tests a new method of multi-target deep brain stimulation, which has shown some positive early results and may improve the management of Parkinsonian features of MSAP and could have a significant impact on quality of life. This project in 7 patients will lay the foundation for larger clinical trials in the future. Vic Carena, Boston, Massachusetts. By examining the brain responses to verdiperstat of 1 patient who donated their brain, this project aims to uncover new insights into the inflammatory response in MSA to aid future clinical trials. Paul Henningsen, Copenhagen, Denmark. This project will test 3 possible new interventions in cell models of MSA in the lab, a critical step in order to determine potential treatments for MSA. Naveen Chandra Kondru and Owen Ross, Jacksonville, Florida. This project is aimed at identification of compounds which act on MSA alpha-synuclein protein strains. This is a critical next step that can be applied to preclinical models and patient-targeted clinical trials in the near future. Daniel Mortis, San Francisco, California. This project is aimed at better understanding which cell types are most affected at MSA and how changes in these cells may lead to disease. Salvator Ventura, Barcelona, Spain, and Vasilios Meissner, Bordeaux, France. This project is aimed at discovery and testing of new compounds with high brain permeability and potent anti-synuclein anti-aggregation potential, which are critical steps for future MSA therapeutic development. Congratulations to our newest research award grantees. The MSA Coalition has now awarded grants in 10 countries and is the leading nonprofit funder of global MSA research. The MSA Coalition is committed to finding a treatment or cure for MSA. We believe that funding research is funding hope. Please spread the word to your family and friends about the MSA Coalition's research grant program, and please give generously during our year-end campaign, which kicks off on Giving Tuesday, November 30th, the first Tuesday after Thanksgiving. Thank you for joining us at this year's Patient and Family Conference.